My grandparents were born in Indonesia. They came to Holland in the 50s, and my mother's background is Indonesia, and it's a very big country, many little islands, and so my heritage is like from a small island in Indonesia, and my family goes back quite a lot, but I never been to the spot where my grandparents are from, but I want to make that trip when my kids are a bit older, so they can understand, why we're going there, and to feel our home country. And, but I've been in Jakarta for a couple of days, not so long ago, and there I could feel, it's a special feeling when you come back to your native country. And, so it was a bit special for me, but I think the most special moment will come when I set foot on the island of my grandparents.
And for Van Bronckhorst, the Indonesian character helped mould his success so much that he will ensure it is passed on.
Yeah, very much. I'm very brought up, the way people were brought up in Indonesia. Very hard and very tough, but it made me the person I am now. So I'm very grateful that my parents brought me up the way they were used to, and that's the way I will do the same to my own.
Sampai di Belanda sini ada bus sudah tunggu ketorang buat naik tinggi di orang bawa di kam-kamnya. Jadi ketorang masuk di kam kam yang Hateber.
Lena Sapulete Lilipali berusia 23 tahun saat tiba di negeri Belanda dengan kapal Atlantis pada bulan Maret 1951. Ia bersama 3 anak meninggalkan Indonesia karena suaminya seorang anggota KNIL, tentara Hindia Belanda yang dibubarkan pasca penyerahan kedaulatan tahun 1949.
Dan ketorong punya orang lagi bukan senang buat datang di Belanda buat cari kerja. Ketorong datang cara KNIL, militer. Padahal sampai di tanah Belanda ini kaki turun di bawah dibilang onsla.
Para anggota KNIL asal Maluku dan keluarganya merasa tertipu. Mereka dijanjikan hanya sementara tinggal di Belanda, tapi ternyata tidak. Oma, pesepak bola terkenal Giovanni Van Bronckhorst ini akhirnya menjadi warga negara Belanda. Walau begitu, ia tak pernah lupa identitas dirinya.
Cuma bilang saya mandor, padahal ini sudah 60 tahun. Memang ketorang sudah warga negara Belanda, tapi itu dalam surat saja. Tapi ketorang itu bangsa Maluku, bangsa Indonesia. Ya tuh.